Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to talk about how can we off guys do not disturb setting in our Infinix phone device. Friends, you want to off guys your phone to not disturb. How can you off it and how can you remove guys this icon on your screen? Friends, you can see guys your icon guys this block icon on your screen guys you can check. So friends, you want to remove this icon, so how can you remove it? Today friends, I will show you, I will tell you guys. So first of all guys, you will have to on guys your infinix phone guys, your phone setting guys. So we will on it. After on guys, scroll it, friends, click on phone sound and vibration, tap on sound and vibration, friends, again scroll. Friends, you can see guys this media volume and alarm volume is off it. So guys, we will off guys do not disturb. So I will off from here. After of guys, you can check guys your alarm volume and media volume will on and you can use it without any problem. This icon will remove on our screen. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends you understood how to off do not disturb. Bye guys.